Have you ever been in the midst of an anxiety attack feeling like your brain is in overdrive and you can't turn it off? This is the domain of the mind. Managing anxiety in the heat of the moment is a vital skill, and there are some approaches taken from cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, that offer a powerful approach. Anxiety is a complex interplay of mind, gut, and heart. But what does that mean? It means anxiety is a web of conscious and unconscious reflexes involving thoughts, your gut, and your heart that result in symptoms such as racing heart, obsessive thoughts, the feeling of nausea, and even fainting. In the world of Chinese medicine, we understand that all symptoms are interconnected. And by harnessing the power of these, mind, gut, and heart, you will find powerful natural solutions. No medications. Anxiety treatment is not just a facet of my practice, it's a mission to restore good mood and resilience in the face of anxiety. When anxiety strikes, your mind can either be your ally or your adversary. To harness its potential for good, consider these practical tips. Reframe your thoughts. When faced with anxiety-inducing situations like a presentation, tough conversation, reframe your feelings. Instead of succumbing to dread, tell yourself, I'm genuinely excited. By shifting your perspective, you can transform nervous energy into a positive force that sharpens your focus. It's like performing mental jujitsu, using the hyper energy to your advantage. Embrace the fact that anxiety can provide the motivation you need. Harness the power of your body. Your body communicates with your mind, so use physical means to interrupt anxiety. Make 2 fists and assertively declare, I've got this. Or even employ stronger language, like I effing have this. Snap your brain out of it and use your posture. Use like the Wonder Woman stance to show confidence and disrupt the downward spiral. Or in sitting, occupy more space to enhance your presence. If you need to be discreet in a social setting, create a silent physical signal like clenching your fists or joining your hands, reminding yourself of your inner strength and resilience. By applying these techniques, you can wield the power of your mind through the body to counter anxiety when it strikes. CBT's principle of reframing thoughts and using physical cues empowers you to take control of your mental state in challenging moments. So next time your mind races with anxiety, remember these strategies to transform anxiety into an ally rather than an adversary. Ultimately, you can thrive in stressful situations.